Rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazrul Aiman bin Muhammad Nasser. For this video reflection, from week 7 to week 10, what I want to focus on is the first thing, which is on week 7, where we learned about software as a service. Back then, school used what we call computer labs for educations, where they have to install the software using disk, and every time there will be an update, they have to buy a new software, or they have to subscribe to another software just to update the application to latest version. But after we have a paradigm shift where we went from on-premise application to software as a service, school doesn't have to worry about that, and IT managers can work with application without actually buying them the physical device, physical application like disk and whatnot. So what I have learned now is that this shift is very good to create a better update on application, as IT managers doesn't have to uh, literally go through the lab, or they have to go to one device at a time just to update the app. But they can indeed use MDM, which is the mobile device management, where they can update all security applications and even download new application straight to the students and the school devices in just one click. Get into the security point of view, where we learn in week 8 about the zero trust architecture and about security itself, where they develop never trust, always verify. Based on this zero trust architecture, where the school have the devices and the one who using the device have to go through a lot of layer of security. For example, just for the device to be checked, you have to go through a multi-factor authentication system, just to make sure that the one who using it actually is the real person, not just someone who just log into the Wi-Fi and can use anything in the school. So this is very important, because how would you know that the person that using the device, or anyone who log into the school network system, are the what we call the people of the school, like students, staff, and whatnot. Indeed, this system, the security system that they have made, the zero trust architecture, is very good compared to the old school, the more and love thing, where anyone can just go into the lab and just get this cool data and students' data and whatnot. But now you have to go through multi-layer of authentication just to go and use a simple app. This is good, and it's very good, and it follows the PDPA, where where it protect student identity, medical records, disciplinary records, and academic records. Very interesting, isn't it? These two topics that I have learned, or what I have reflected just before, is I learned that school is going to a very big paradigm shift. Before this, the old school way, where security is not that focused, but now we really are focusing on the security of the students. So as an IT manager soon, inshallah, you have to think more about how to use application on not on premise devices, what new application you have to know about, and how can you secure student identity and student data when you are when you are introducing a new application to the school, right? For now, we are using Canva, we are using Google Workspace, Microsoft, even some Apple devices, right? But in the future, we might have more applications developed and more uh, new interesting features that will be introduced to the world. And when we want to use this, we have to think about how these applications and how these features will integrate with the school ecosystem, and how it could make sure, and how we could make sure as an IT manager, how we could make sure that it is safe for the students to use, not just for the students, but anyone at the school. We do not want any data to be breached, and we do not want the application to be misused, especially how AI is moving so fast right now. How could we use all the system that we have learned in this past 3-4 weeks to make sure that the students doesn't misuse the AI? Not just the students, but also teachers. So a lot of things could be learned about how to make awareness, how to make them to make them one of digital citizen and whatnot. That's all from me. Thank you.